Hello,
Καλησπέρα.
it's us again.
Yeah, to our second video, and we just invite you in a very beautiful spot in Crete, where we are looking for a very cozy corner for a romantic moment for two people, for a couple.
Creating a special event. And we are here in a very special place, which is also one of the reasons we are in Crete. These beautiful places here are still wild, are still beautiful, and you are connected with the Mother Earth and the feeling of belonging here. And we are here because we want to honor these places and create special moments for the people and for us and for a new world to come.
Yeah, this is a very green spot, so there are some spots around us here which have some water and some greenery, and they are sometimes a little bit hidden, so not everybody knows about, but they are one of the very amazing things here in Crete, because we have such a variety, that one, I never get that word. Not just the beach and some nice spots at the sea, it's also gorges, and we have many caves, and we have many secret spots with ruins and with ancient things, of course.
Ancient locations, and here there are many caves you can see on the gorge, beautiful caves. Probably some of them are unexplored because they are very high, and you can see at the back a beautiful landscape. Actually, what we do is we do our walk in these kind of places anyway, even if it's summer or winter or spring or autumn, and we like to explore nature, to explore the beauty of Crete and connect with the earth, the flowers, the sky, the birds, the beauty that surrounds us.
All the sounds and all the nice smells, and I know it's another rhythm out here somehow. It calms me down. I like it very much. Yeah, a lot of nature here.
Yes, and this is our philosophy of life. Our philosophy, as explained probably, and in our website and in our first video, is to connect with nature, and through this to connect with ourselves, and through our beingness and activities as well, to connect people who look this connection with nature and with themselves. For us, life is a path of self-discovery. In our societies nowadays, we see many things that are opposite to the self-discovery. We still start discussing about meta-humanism. Metanthropos is called in Greece. And before the human being discovered himself. But because everything is changing this period of time and transforming into new energies, we receive new energies, the planet receives new energies. It's important for all of us to connect with ourselves and to connect with nature and with other human beings through a point of love and abundance and happiness, joy.
Yeah, it's to slow down a little bit these days. I don't know if you can feel it, but we feel that everything slows down, or we have better to slow down in order to realize and to receive everything that's going around us on. And it was usually quite normal that everything was just moving as it moved, and now I don't know, I question many things which I didn't before, and even more and more, and everything is intense. I feel everything very intense, and when there is anything what I try to control and it's not supposed to be in a way, it stops. It cannot work. It kind of, I don't know, creates even pain in the body when you try to force it now. So we slow down, we look at it and we say, but everything is welcome and everything is going to be there for a reason to show us how to do now when we want to choose in a conscious way the next steps. And that is great. I love that time.
We slow down and we let go as well. And we can see also nature let goes, because everything here, we are right now inside in a beautiful gorge. Everything thrives with no struggles. And many of different species of trees, flowers, small plants here, they are all together. They cooperate and they grow together with no struggles. And because everything is as above, so below, when we observe nature, we can understand something within us, and we learn to coexist with the others. We learn not to struggle. We learn to see how it is to thrive and express beauty, like the ancient Greeks said about kalos. It's very important to live in kalos and in harmony and in beauty. And no struggle means also beauty and harmony.
Yeah, and to give space also, I think, to observe ourselves and everything around us, and to give space, but of course we have also to take our space. So it's up to us now also to say what we want, what we like, and we need to express that, because otherwise how shall others know? And we need to set our limits, and what do you say, the most important word now is also to say no. To say no to everything that doesn't resonate with you. And that's good that it doesn't resonate, because it needs a change to feel better. So listen to that.
So express. Express what we really want to say and to what we feel, and communication and expression is very important. And here also you can watch the nature express itself, express the beauty, express the flowers, express the beingness. Especially all this period of time that we go through is important for everybody to start hearing inside and start expressing to the others his own truth, but also to accept the others, because we are not we are the same, we are one, but we are also not the same. We are on this planet to have different views of life, perspectives, and the one who gains something in life is the one who can change his perspective, the one who can see things and can also understand that it's his own point of view, and he is willing all the time to change his own point of view.
Yeah, like you said a few days ago, that the other is always right. They are right. I mean, whatever they say, they are right, because it's their perspective, it's their perception, and this is very unique, and it's good that it's unique, because otherwise how to be together, everything. I mean, we need all these perspectives, and now we can learn to welcome them in a way that we trust each other and all that, in order to grow and to thrive together.
To thrive together, and that's why we are here, and we want to do only what we love. Whatever we create is out of our own love and our own soul guidance and our love. And we invite you to get to know us, and we are here to show you Crete and the beauty of Crete and the beauty within by our own example. If you are interested, we are here.
Yeah, so next time we will speak maybe more about that, how and what. Our perception, and then you can hear your perceptions to that.
Exactly.
So, enjoy everything.
Enjoy life and enjoy nature. Get out now and go to nature, hug a tree.
Yeah, and take off your shoes to feel the vibrance of the earth.
Very, very important.
Yeah, Connect.
to walk
Reconnect.
barefoot. Shine.
Shine.